This is one of the question which is asked in the examination. Out of 60 question, this can be one question. So there are 7 resonance structure of this tropylium carbocation. It is 7-member ring and alternate double bonds are present. Okay, 3 double bonds are present. All carbons are sp2 hybridized. That is why it is aromatic. It follows 4n plus 2 pi rule. Clear to you? So and it is resonance stabilized. All carbons are sp2 hybridized, and this is having 7 resonating structure. That is why tropylium carbocation is more stable than benzyl carbocation. Clear to you? Benzyl carbocation is less stable as compared to tropylium ion. We will see here. See. Tropylium ion, this I have shown you the structure, and this is benzyl carbocation and this is allyl carbocation. So tropylium ion is more stable than benzyl carbocation, and benzyl carbocation is more stable than allyl carbocation. One thing I want to tell you about this, that the how many number of resonating structure is there, that also affect, only resonance effect is there then. So here 7 resonance, here 4 resonating structure. In case of allyl carbocation, only 2 resonating structures. I have not drawn over here. So this tropylium ion is more stable than benzyl carbocation, and this is more stable than allyl carbocation. And now when it is substituted, this H is replaced by two alkyl groups. Suppose here 2 alkyl group. At that moment, not only resonance but hyperconjugation also affect the stability of the carbocation. So it is 3 degree carbocation now, and 3 degree allyl carbocation is more stable than benzyl carbocation. Likewise, 2 degree allyl carbocation is more stable than benzyl carbocation. See here, allyl carbocation less stable than benzyl carbocation, but disubstituted, that is 3 degree this is simple 1 degree carbocation. Here 3 degree carbocation, this is 2 degree carbocation. So 3 degree carbocation, allyl carbocation is more stable than benzyl carbocation. Okay, so in this way we can easily say that tropylium carbocation is more stable than benzyl carbocation, benzyl is more stable than allyl carbocation. Okay, and substituted allyl carbocation are more stable than benzyl carbocation. And now again I will repeat this, that this is tropylium carbocation. It is having 7 carbon, and it is called 2,4,6 cyclo, how many? Hepta, cycloheptatriene. This is the name of the tropylium ion. Okay, and it is highly stable as compared to benzyl carbocation. Please subscribe my channel. If you like my video, please subscribe it and like it also. Okay, and please comment whether you like it or not. I am giving you all information which is coming in the competitive exam, and it is not required for board. I will tell you frankly, it is for only IIT purpose, NEET purpose or MCAT purpose. Okay, all the best, all the best, all